Hello everyone, good to see you on the channel how to use it, and in this video we continue to learn Google spreadsheets. And we now on the site financialyahoo.com, and I want to show you some small chapters that describe the raise or lost some stocks, for example, and I wanna show you how you can build that chapters in Google Sheet. I will try to find some interesting table with stocks, for example, or from another information from internet, and we will build it in our spreadsheets. I prepared a table with price of stocks, some companies, and let's imagine that we want to know in a chart how price is changed. Chart type, what we try to learn in that video, it's sparkline. It's simply way to see in process in your Google table change price some company or any data what you input in that cells. You can split down that and get small charts about prices of that companies. Of course, it's not whole information about this interesting function. You can add in your formula some additional options. Comma. We open figure brackets. Now we wanna change, for example, chart type, not in line, but for example in other ways. For that we open quotation marks, chart type, then slash, another quotation marks, and for example we wanna column. Enter. So we receive an error. Let's try to understand why. Go to learn more to take a help. So we can read about this formula more information. We have chart type, line, bar, column and win-loss. I choose column. But if we yes, I made a mistake because Google Sheets sometimes some edit in the formulas. Previously it was the slash, but now they use only comma. Okay. So we receive column by each day, and the same situation after pull it down. Okay. What we can do with our formula more? You can find it in that help center, in that instruction, what you have to do. But for example, let's try to see another interesting information. For example, change a color of our columns. For that, we have to separate with semicolon. You see that in that small instructions. I wanna change color, comma, green, enter. Yeah. Another interesting thing, for example, neck color. But in my example I don't have negative example, but let's imagine situation, maybe it's not correct in that example, but in some tables you can see negative numbers. And in that situation works our option neg color. And the last thing what I want to show you, it's high color. For example, it's blue. Separate semicolon must be. Okay, maximum we have on 10 August. But for another company, the highest price was in the last day of the week. Okay, thank you for watching. If you want to know more about these interesting charts, you can research information in the help of Google Spreadsheets. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, press thumbs up, write down the comments if you want to know more about some interesting function in Google Sheets and you want to clarify some your questions, and go to the next video what you see on your screen.